According to the psychology faculty and other experts, here are the top 7 habits that will damage your brain in the long run. Later I will tell you how to overcome them. 1. Not exercising enough. Brain damage is a guaranteed result of not exercising regularly. Exercise increases brain-derived neurotrophic factors, which enhances memory, BDNF. Your learning and memory are enhanced and new synapses are formed as a result. You must move if you want a healthy brain. 2. Not getting enough sleep. You cannot establish or maintain in your brain the neural pathways that aid in learning and memory creation if you have poor sleeping habits. Additionally, it will be more difficult to focus and think rapidly. Long-term sleep deprivation can cause neurological illness. 3. Eating inflammatory foods. You become what you eat. Chronic stomach irritation, which then has an impact on your brain, can result from a diet high in inflammatory foods, fried and processed meals. Memory loss, poor mood regulation, disorientation, depression, and eventually disease result from this. 4. Having a beer belly. The prefrontal cortex, hippocampus, and hypothalamus have all been linked to high body fat. These regions are well known for memory, learning, and mood regulation. It's not necessary to be ripped. Just reduce your extra mass to a level that will keep you healthy. 5. Not acquiring new knowledge. The brain develops and shrinks based on usage, much like a muscle. Developing new skills excites neurons and creates new neural pathways that speed up the transmission of electrical impulses. If you don't learn something new, your brain will degenerate. 6. Lack of a purpose. Humans are machines that produce meaning. To continue living, we require a reason. According to studies, finding significance in life is associated with a lower risk of brain damage and mental illness. A purpose does not just appear in your life. It needs to be made. 7. Not having a strong support system of friends. Good companions can increase emotional intelligence, lengthen your life, and uplift your mood with oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin. Friendships benefit general health. Make sure they are not toxic. Doing the opposite will assist you in overcoming these bad habits. 1. Work out each day. 2. Modify your sleeping patterns. 3. Eat food that is high in nutrients. 4. Achieve a healthy body fat percentage. 5. Expand your knowledge. 6. Find a reason for existing. 7. Surround yourself with reliable companions.